think what I'm enjoying the most about today's symposium is the collection of both industry talent and then students that are really eager and wanting to learn. The questions we've gotten from the students and the attendees have been fantastic. They've been very thoughtful and intentional for how we can support them in their careers.
I think one of the things that I really like about this one is the interaction with the actual students. I think that's important because we're talking to future entrepreneurs, maybe clinicians. The sky's the limit for these guys, but the fact that they're focusing on the medical device is exceptional.
Well, what I enjoy the most about today's symposium is just the camaraderie and all the people and the excitement and passion that people have for their ideas and thoughts about medical device. I was at Clemson 40 years ago and we had nothing like this. And this is amazing. And having traveled to other universities and seen what they've got, this is unmatched.
Today's Medical Device Symposium has really been great. It's an opportunity for me to come and see what's happening with all the different companies that have come out of Clemson and some of the alumni that have come out of Clemson, as well as to network myself and to interact with students that have passion for working in the medical device industry and that want to have questions answered about what are the opportunities and how might they learn more about those opportunities or choices that they need to make or could make with regards to their own career paths.
There's a lot of things, but one thing that sticks out the most is the community that we're building together here and everyone coming in together and contributing. I think there's been a lot of key learnings, especially into the regulatory and the raising money and then the medical device sales. The panel was actually really thrilling and I think the kids and students got a lot out of it.
What I'm enjoying most about today's Medical Device Symposium is meeting and connecting with the students. It's really imperative for those connections to happen. And I'm so excited that I've made some connections and I think they're going to be lasting relationships and I'm excited to see what develops.
Today's been great getting to meet the young students at Clemson from different backgrounds, whether it's marketing or engineering, and just engaging with them about their runway, which way they're headed, and how Clemson and how alumni and how different people in the community and their community can help them achieve their goals.
What I'm enjoying the most about today's Medical Device Symposium is just getting the opportunity to network and communicate with leaders in the medtech industry. I think it's super beneficial to start building these relationships as a college student.
What I'm enjoying most about today's Medical Device Symposium is seeing students being able to interact with people who have been in the industry literally for decades. But the students are able to see the broad range of opportunities that are out there.
I think it's important for Clemson because we all love Clemson and want to see Clemson be successful, and we'd love for Clemson to continue to build its brand and reputation and standing in the industry as a leader in innovation and entrepreneurship.
I think it's important because it shows that Clemson is engaging in the medical device at an early stage. This is like the ground one. I mean, you got an incubator right here, and you got students who are engaging in it. And these are where all the future medical device will certainly come out of Clemson in this regard. So I think it's important right now. This is the perfect time for Clemson to engage and to grow and become a dominant force behind medical device entrepreneurism, if you will.
Why I think it's very important for Clemson University is because the more people that come out of Clemson are successful, the more they can give back to the university. And I think it's an opportunity for Clemson to utilize it in recruiting top-notch students and academic people.
I think the symposium is a nice opportunity for the students at the university to be able to interact with professionals that have gone down the road that they're all facing. So to be able to learn from others that have already taken that path, I think is a really unique opportunity and something that personally a little bit jealous of, that they have this as a resource, and hopefully more and more students will be able to take advantage of these types of interactions.
Well, we're growing the Medical Device Symposium, and it's important because we're growing this community out. So when we first started the symposium 2 years ago, It was just really just a general idea, and we thought that a lot of the biomedical engineering students would want to come and see, meet former CEOs and current CEOs of these medical device companies. It's expanded into, I think we have now 25 CEOs and teaching their learnings to these biomedical engineers. So it's been really, really cool experience to see this.
Today's Medical Device Symposium is so important for Clemson University because you have access to those leaders in the community and beyond for what is really important in developing that entrepreneurship really acumen for these students.
I think the Medical Device Symposium that we're hosting here today is important for Clemson University because it's showing the dedication to the students here at Clemson. It's meeting their passions, meeting the students' passions, and give them a better view of what's out there in med tech and med device.
I think today's Med Device Symposium is so important for Clemson because it just allows the industry to communicate with Clemson students firsthand, starting to grow those relationships, then in return help put Clemson students into the industry.
Today's Medical Device Symposium is so important to Clemson simply because there are so many students that are moving toward graduation or coming out of grad school and are saying, where am I going? What we would like to see happen is that they can stay in the state of South Carolina. Clemson is producing a fabulous group of graduates that are so experienced, that have so much knowledge. It is so good for Clemson to have events like this to show them opportunities in the state of South Carolina so that they can stay here and continue to build the life sciences in the state.